Good morning. Today we'll be sharing another ClickUp tip to improve your team's efficiency and collaboration. Did you know that you can set and delegate reminders? In your home screen, you can easily view your reminders as well as the reminders others have set for you. Under the To Do tab here, reminders you set for others will be under this Delegated tab. This allows you to still keep track of the reminders you set. To create a reminder, go to the bottom right-hand corner and select Reminder. You can even pin the selection so that you have a button like you do for new tasks. In the reminder, you'll have the ability to select the person you're reminding, set a due date, or even attach a document. For example, I want to remind Molly to follow up with a new potential client next week. So I'm going to ask her to follow up with Bob. I'm going to select Molly. I can set the due date for next Monday. I can even attach the proposal for easy referencing. Molly will then have the option to either mark this as complete, snooze the reminder and set a new due date, or she can create a task from it and choose the location of that task. Even after she converts it to a task, it'll still show up under my delegated so I can easily keep track of it.